Welcome to CSC 842. My name is Gerald Chikukwa, and this is Cycle 10. I decided this week that I was going to develop a bash script. This script gathers and displays system information about a computer. It gathers and displays the information in the following. It displays information about the operating system. It also displays if there are any mounted file systems. It also displays network configuration. If there are any development tools on that machine, it also display those, whether be it Python, whether be it C, C++, and all that stuff. It also displays installed packages, services, processes, and it also displays scheduled jobs, readable files in etc, sudo, and good writable files. This is a bash script developed on an Ubuntu machine, and bash is already installed on Ubuntu, so probably on most or all of the Linux distribution. So for you to run this script, you just have to type in bash infogathering.sh and execute that. And in some cases, you might have to give it rights, read and write, executable, make it an executable, and all that stuff. So it all depends on your system how it's set up. We'll go into the code here. Um, as you can see, the code just does as I explained in the beginning here. That it echoes out, the distribution, operating system, distribution, which is in my case it was Ubuntu, and then it gets that information on, it displays that information through the cat, etc, and then issue, and then uname dash a. So that's how it displays that information. And then it also displays the mounted, if there is any mounted file system, with mount dash l. And it also displays the network configuration through here. So ifconfig a, and then it gets that information as well at etc hosts. And then for the development tools, it actually shows the available development tools on a machine. So as you can see here, which is actually an external, uh, it actually does what external, pretty much external search of if there's any GCC or if there's any G++ or Python, and then displays that. So it's actually an external binary that actually helps us to get that information. And then installed packages here. So dpkg-l actually displays all the installed packages on the computer, as well as netstat dash tulnpe. It also displays all the services that are on that computer as well running. And then also the echo processes, ps dash aux. It actually displays the processes that are actually running over the on that computer as well. um, Echo schedule jobs, find, pretty much the way to find this would be like find etc cron stark dash l as to dev and null, as you can see over here. um, and then it do display all the scheduled jobs that are going to run. And then also, if we want to look at readable files in etc, it will also be displayed down here. So we have to find them, and then we have to see about the permissions, if they're reading right or not, and all that good stuff. And then the sudo and good uh, writable files. So it also displays that, and it also displays all the information here as well. And echo writable files outside home. So any files that are outside the home directory, then they'll also be displayed through here as well, through this mount ll find command here, the path and stuff. Uh, that's all for the presentation. I wish I could run this on my computer, but I don't have any Linux computer with me. I left my laptop. Uh, I'm traveling right now. I'm on the road, so I left my Linux laptop home. But otherwise this code, if you run it on a Linux machine, it should work. I actually had written it and ran it back home, and it was working just fine. So if you find some time, just download it. Play with it. It should work. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.